Good morning, children. I am Mr. Zgruski. I will be your new science teacher. Apparently, Mr. Holcomb had an incident.
He got hit by lightning.
Well, that is bad. But he did not get hit by lightning. Lightning does not hit a person the way one is hit by a baseball or a cabbage. Lightning is simply electricity. The cloud is angry, yes, making storm. All the electrons are saying, I am leaving you. I go to the land of opportunity. The ground says, yes, we need electrons trained in science, just like you. Come, come, welcome. So both sides start to build a ladder. This man, he comes out to look at the storm. He does not see the invisible ladders. When the two ladders meet, boom! The circuit is complete, and all of the electrons rush to the land of opportunity. This man is in the way. Ah! But it's very rare to have such incidents.